Welcome to IT Certification Study Guide by ITCert Expert. You will learn how to pass more than 15 certifications at first attempt based on my experience. I have more than 15 years of experience in IT security in financial institutions, bank and insurance. I have worked in some regions in the world like Europe, Middle East and Africa. During my career, I was network security engineer, infrastructure engineer, pre-sales engineer, project manager and now security officer. Thanks to my certification for this career. I passed more than 15 certifications in less than 2 years at first attempt. For this training, I have categorized them per domain: cybersecurity, cloud computing, project management, IT service management, quality management, governance, and blockchain. In this training, you will get a lot of useful information about 4 of the 5 top-paying certifications 2017. I will guide you into 3 chapters. First, my studying method. I will provide you my best tips how to manage your study session to pass at first attempt. For example, the study time required for major certification and other. In chapter 2, certification versus certification, I will compare main certification between them like Security Plus and CISSP. I will tell you why you should pass or not pass this certification. And finally, per certification, I will provide to you the best book, best online training, cost, and my exam experience to achieve your goal at first attempt. For CISSP, it's a all 5-star certification. Difficult, you have to study a lot, but your skill will grow, and your value on the market will be higher than ever. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon to give you all my tips to pass top certification at first attempt.